Ever wondered how YouTubers make money? Well, it's not just about filming a video and uploading it. There's a whole strategic process behind it. Let's dive into the 10 primary ways YouTubers generate income. First up, we have ad revenue. This is a revenue-sharing scheme where YouTubers allow ads to be displayed on their videos, and in return, they get a cut of the advertising revenue. To hop on this train, a channel must be part of the YouTube Partner Program and meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Next, there's YouTube Premium revenue. This is for those who have viewers subscribed to YouTube Premium, which is an ad-free version of the platform. These YouTubers earn a portion of the revenue from these premium views. Moving on to sponsorships and brand deals. This is when YouTubers collaborate with brands to create content that features their products or services. This could be in the form of product placements, shout-outs, or even dedicated videos. The payment comes either as a cash transaction or free products. Then we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in videos and including special tracking links in their video descriptions. When a viewer makes a purchase through these links, the YouTuber gets a commission. Merchandise sales is another popular option. Many YouTubers create and sell their own merchandise. This can range from clothing and accessories to digital products like ebooks. The profits come directly from these sales. Crowdfunding is the sixth method. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, or Buy Me a Coffee are used to collect direct financial support from fans. In return, fans get exclusive content, perks, or early access. YouTubers with a large following can also use super chats and channel memberships. With super chats, viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams. Channel memberships offer special perks to members who pay a monthly fee. Eighth on the list is YouTube Premium Originals. YouTube occasionally funds exclusive content from popular creators for its premium subscribers. Creators are paid for participating in these projects. Licensing and content sales is another way to earn. YouTubers can sell the rights to their content for use in other forms of media, like television, movies, or commercials. Last but not least, we have public speaking and appearances. As some YouTubers gain popularity, they leverage their online presence to secure speaking engagements at events, conventions, or even appearances in other media. Remember, the amount of money a YouTuber can earn varies greatly, depending on factors like their niche, audience size, engagement, and their ability to navigate the business side of things. The key to success is often diversifying revenue streams to manage the risks associated with changes in YouTube's policies or fluctuations in ad revenue. Now you know the 10 ways YouTubers make money. It's not just about uploading videos, it's a strategic process that requires creativity, patience, and business savvy.